Hello beautiful people, it's me Jo, and today I'll be showing you this simple protective rubber band style for beginners. It is purely for beginners. So if you want to learn something today with me, stay till the end so that you get something. So the first thing, I'm going to part my hair, and I always feel that this is the most difficult part in braiding, because once you learn how to part your hair, then everything's gonna be very simple. I'll be using this one. It's homemade gel. I always try my homemade gels. I'm trying to make my own products and trying on my hair. So this one I simply made flaxseed gel, shea butter, and some oils. This is the one that I used. I wanted to try to see how it will come out, but it didn't give me what I really wanted. So keep being here, because I'll be sharing so much about the products that I'm using. I'm trying all the homemade products, so I'll be checking out the one that will be working well. I'll be sharing with you guys. In some few months to come, I'll be able to share with you everything that I'm using to make sure that my hair is really growing and looking healthy. So if you are interested with the natural hair products, you are at the right place. I'll be mixing protective style and other style, and then also I'll be sharing with you mostly on natural ingredients to make your hair grow healthier and stronger. So I'm just parting my hair like this. Parting is the most difficult part, but I did make 8 sections like this, so I didn't want to do all in one because it takes too much time to part. So you can just look how I did it, and you can achieve the same style if you like to. So I'll be parting little part of my hair, and then I'll be putting this flaxseed sheer gel. Then I go ahead and tie around with my rubber band. I thought this gel would make my hair bind together, but it didn't. So it didn't work out the way I really wanted, and also it didn't bring my style the way I wanted. So after making the first knot, you just go ahead and squeeze the second one, connect the hair together, and then again take the second rubber band and put together like that. So that's all you're going to be doing until you complete your hair, but there is also a different way of doing it, so keep watching and I will show you later the other way of fixing this one. I'm done with the first row, and I'm going to do the second row and the next. So keep doing like this. I'm putting my shea flaxseed gel and then combing and going like that. You know, one mistake I did when you're using rubber band is don't put too much product, because when you put too much product the rubber band are going to break. So this happened like in the middle part of my hair. I did put too much and the rubber bands were breaking, and so I had to repeat it again. So if you are going to be using rubber band, avoid using too much product. So guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out a lot that I'll be sharing with you. A lot of protective style, a lot of natural ingredients to grow your hair. So this is the second way I wanted to show you. After fixing the first knot, take the second knot and wrap around the rubber band first before inserting the first knot. Just like that. Fix the second one and then put the second on top like that. Go ahead and do the same thing. Wrap around the rubber band and then put the one that you had finished, the first one, just like that. Do the same thing and make sure that you are squeezing to get it down. I wasn't fixing that much because I don't like squeezing my hair too much. It's just okay for me to put it temporarily like that. So my style is done, and if you're having a long hair it can end there like that, and you just do like that. You can just wrap something to finish like that. Did you notice my hair was carrying a rubber band but I couldn't notice? I can just leave it like that. I can use the scarf just to put in the middle of my hair and it's going to look nice just like that. You can also go ahead and, like the way I'm doing here, you can just go ahead and finish by putting your product to make your hair that is well moisturized, and then use the rubber band to close up your hair like that. If it's long hair it's just going to look very nice, or if you have an extension like that looks like that, you can use an extension like that. I always like wrapping my hair with a thread because it gives me hard time using hair band. Those who have kinky hair understands this. If you have long kinky, it's very hard to use a rubber band and it is easier using a thread. So you can see like that, it's just like a complete style like that. And now if you are having a shorter hair, go ahead and use this extension like this. You can use the new or old. This is my old extension, so if you're having your old extension, you don't need to throw them out. You can reuse them. You wash them and keep for another day, like this one here. So just take your extension and you do like that, and you fix on the top of your hair. So just fix it where you did your knot. Then you go ahead and take some little section of the extension. This one you're going to use it later to wrap around your hair. And the rest of the extension, go ahead and braid it with your hair, making sure that it's coming out really nice. I didn't braid it well because my hair had shrinked at the end. It gave me a really hard time. And also when you're using the old braid, those who have used the old braid, you know how it's hard to braid. It's hard to braid an old braid. So I've just did it like this, and if you want it to be more long, go ahead and add the braids at the end, making sure that it's the length that you want. So I did it extra long. So now after that, you're going to wrap this little hair around that where you made the knot to make sure that it's closing up very well. Just like that. And since I didn't have a product that could hold my hair, I did use a pin to secure it. So if you like this one, consider subscribing. Go ahead and try it and tell me what you get. And also if you don't like having that long braid, go ahead and wrap around like that and secure it with a pin. Just like that. This style is simply for beginners. It didn't come out very well, I realized that, but try your best and you can find something really nice. Don't do the way I did the mistake. So you can go ahead and use a bigger rubber band to wrap that section like that. I know if you're going to be doing on somebody, it's going to come out very well. So that's all for today. That's how it came out. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if you try this one, how it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.